clearly they're trying to like make it so that humans are reading them, but if they're produced by robots, it's kind of counterintuitive to the strategy. SEOscience.com. It's good that they are punishing it. I think it's a positive change, really, because I mean, yeah, like it makes the job easier for a lot of SEOs and marketing professionals to use ChatGPT for things, but at the same time, like it isn't content that they created. So by
No.
Google's metrics and like the EAT and helpful content updates, which that now is a pair, which with the September one, or sorry, August, and now this March one, like
Yeah.
clearly they're trying to like make it so that humans are reading them, but if they're produced by robots, it's kind of counterintuitive to the strategy and what they value as a company. SEO